My name is A.AKHIL. I have completed a B.TECH in the year of 2024 in the stream of information technology. Later, I have joined in the Qspiders to gain knowledge on software testing, and I have a good experience with Qspiders. And in Qspiders, they will teach fully about software testing and gain knowledge in software testing better than other institutions. And also in Qspiders, the trainers are very friendliness and they will provide real-time examples which we can get the job and we can utilize the things in the interview. And in Qspiders they have fully experienced professors. They will teach real-time examples and they will provide marks and they will provide presentations and groomings. Everything they will provide. And also in Qspiders, HRs also very friendliness. They provide in detail about if there is any requirement came to the Qspiders, they will provide us fully detailed, and they will give the updates daily interviews are scheduled, or is there any requirements came to the institution. And I'm very thankful to the Qspiders to giving me this opportunity and to getting the job. Thank you.